You do not need money to start an e-commerce business anymore. Yeah. Let that sink in. Most people are still stuck thinking you need thousands. Inventory. Warehouses. Stress. What if I told you that is outdated? Right now. People are building stores from their phones. No coding. No experience. No team. So how do you actually start from scratch? First, you need a product. Not just any product. A problem-solving product. Ask yourself this. What are people already buying every single day? What are they complaining about? That is where the money is. Go on TikTok. Scroll. See a product going viral. That is not luck. That is demand. Second, you need a store. But here is where most people get stuck. Design. Copywriting. Product research. Ads. It feels overwhelming. That is exactly why most people quit. But what if you did not have to do it alone? There is something called ToolSuite. It is a WAP with over 50 AI tools in one subscription. Imagine this. An AI builds your store. Another writes your product descriptions. Another finds winning products. Another creates your ads. It is like having a full e-commerce team. Without paying a full team. That is the leverage most beginners are missing. Instead of wasting weeks trying to figure things out, you move fast. Third, you launch. Not perfect. Just live. Because perfection does not make money. Execution does. Run simple ads. Test different creatives. Watch what works. If something sells, scale it. If it does not, replace it. That is the game. Simple. Not easy. But simple. And the people winning right now, they are not smarter than you. They just started. So here is what you do next. Check the link in the description or the pinned comment. Get access to ToolSuite. Start building today. No excuses. If this helped you, like the video. Subscribe for more real strategies. Because the longer you wait, the more money you are leaving on the table.